The temps are dropping, but the real estate market is still hot. Welcome to my newest listing in St. Peter. This home has been thoughtfully remodeled to include a main floor bedroom, bathroom, and laundry. But my favorite part is the family room with vaulted ceilings and patio doors that lead to a fenced-in backyard. My second favorite part is the attached garage with in-floor heat, a drain, and tandem door, and that's highlighted at the end of this video. Let's take a look.